how to draw easy scenery about noise pollution step by step. Let's draw. Draw all of the structures like me with a pencil, but I had drawn with a marker cause I didn't have to erase them. I tried to express my thoughts about sound pollution, how the earth as well as the people are suffering for this ridiculous purpose. If you like this presentation, don't forget to smash like button. Our drawing is almost complete. Let's start coloring. Start with the first background with red, pink and light pink. Do the another background with the same color. Don't forget to match all of them as well as you can. Now turn to the third background with cobalt blue and sky blue. Draw the another background with same cobalt blue and sky blue. Don't forget to blend as well as you can. Now color the car with blue green, green as well as grass green, the tiny light with yellow and the tire with gray and black. Now draw the earth surface with the green family again, like green, grass green and yellow green. Now the water with Prussian blue, cobalt blue and sky blue. The small cute hand of the earth with brown and pale orange. The face with the vindicky brown and brown. Turn to the loud mic with purple and lavender, then the orange and gray, then the bigger sound box with black and gray. Don't forget to smash properly as well as you can, I say again. Finally, do the outline with black. Yay, our drawing is complete. Don't forget to smash the like button if you new in my creation world. Don't forget also to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. To watch the previous, click on the I button. Tada, see you soon.